have yet another Too Good To Go surprise bag to share with you, but this time it's a box, and it was super heavy, and it is from Young and Young Trading, which is a supplier of Asian supermarket goods, and it's awesome, I'm hoping. So it actually says right on here there's ice cream inside, so that's quite exciting. And like I said, it is very, very heavy. Alrighty, so right off the top here, we got the ice cream. Fantastic. And we have fish sauce, always lovely. Soy sauce, of course. Barbecue marinade. Some instant cup of noodle, I mean, of course, right? A whole bunch of peanuts. And some fantastic rice chips as well. 3 packages of Oriental gravy mix. Oh, a whole bunch of Pocky. That'll get eaten very quickly in my house. Oh, more Pocky, this time green tea flavor. Jackfruit. Vegan calamari. Oh, it's made out of mushrooms. That's pretty cool. And 2 of these peach and orange drinks. Instant red curry soup in a can. And, oh, I remember these from when I lived in Japan. And we have 2 of these lovely little yogurty type of healthy drinks. So I would say actually that's a pretty good haul. And it's supposed to be about $50 worth of stuff for $15.99, I believe I paid for it, and I actually think we got our money's worth for sure.
This is Confessions of a Refashionista.